You have the Titanic dataset and want to categorize passengers into different age groups based on their age and class. After categorizing, you need to extract a sample of 3 passengers from each age group and display various aspects of these samples for analysis. Categorize passengers. Objective. Create a new column in the dataset to classify passengers into specific age groups based on their age and class. Approach. Use the NumPy function to apply conditions. Passengers under 18 years old in the first class are labeled as young rich. Passengers older than 50 are labeled as senior. Passengers between 18 and 50 are labeled as middle-aged. Any passengers not fitting these conditions are labeled as other. Extract samples from each age group. Objective. Select 3 passengers from each age group to review. Approach. Filter the dataset based on each age group and select the first 3 rows for each group. Concatenate and display samples. Objective. Combine the samples from each age group into a single data frame and display selected columns. Approach. Use pandas concat to combine the samples into one data frame. Display different subsets of columns to examine various aspects of the sample data. Categorization. Why it matters. Categorizing passengers into age groups helps in understanding different segments of the dataset based on age and class. This can be useful for analyzing trends and patterns. Sampling. Why it matters. Extracting a sample from each age group provides a manageable subset of data to examine and analyze. It allows for a focused look at passengers within each category. Concatenation and display. Why it matters. Combining samples into a single data frame makes it easier to display and compare the data. Displaying various columns helps in reviewing different aspects of the dataset.